The Judiciary Committee is holding this hearing to examine the legal and constitutional issues surrounding the recent voter misconduct charges brought against 10 American Samoan residents of Whittier, Alaska. The prosecutions of the 10 American Samoan residents of Whittier raise many questions about the intersection of federal citizenship, voter eligibility, and the rights of U.S. nationals. And before we start, I need to mention that this issue is extremely personal for me as the representative of House District 20. In August of 2024, my constituent, Easterly Alpha, a 16-year-old female who had recently arrived in Alaska from American Samoa, was shot and killed by the Anchorage Police Department in her home in front of her family. That heartbreaking case is hopefully changing the way that APD uses deadly force, but the effect is that it has shown a light on the struggles of the Samoan community in Alaska. The way American Samoans are treated in our state is very important to me, and it's very important to the UMed district in particular. Our goal today is not to interfere with any individual legal case, but to understand how our current laws, systems, and practices affect people who are born in American Samoa, individuals who live under the U.S. flag, carry U.S. passports, and owe permanent allegiance to the United States, yet are not considered U.S. citizens by birth. American Samoans also serve in our military. In fact, they have one of the highest recruitment rates of any group in our country, and they serve here in Alaska. I deployed with Samoans to Kosovo with the Alaska Army National Guard. American Samoans serving in the military are quite simply American patriots, and we should treat them and their families as such. Today, we are seeking clarity on 3 questions. 1, how do state agencies like the Division of Elections and the DMV currently handle voter registration for U.S. nationals? 2, what legal obligations and rights do American Samoans have under both state and federal law? And 3, how can we as a legislative body ensure that Alaskans' election laws are applied fairly, clearly, and without unintended harm?